Hi, to master gesture navigation on this Poco F6, you would need to go in the settings first and here scroll a bit so you could see additional settings. Now we would need to go in the gesture shortcut and after that we would be able to master gesture like a pro. For example, firstly, let's go in Launch Google Assistant and enable it so it will light up blue like that. And to trigger Google Assistant, you would need to press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds. Power button is located on the right side of the phone, by the way. Let's try this out. And yeah, it's working. Google Assistant triggers. Now to take a screenshot, enable to slide 3 fingers down and volume down plus power button. Let's try volume down plus power button. And I'm gonna press them at the same time. And yep, screenshot is taken. And now let's try slide 3 fingers down. Yeah, it's also working. If you wanna disable some of them, just tap like that, so it will be gray and it would be disabled. Now for the partial screenshot, we would need to press and hold with 3 fingers and enable this feature. Let's try this out. So yeah, now we just need to select the size by dragging the corners or the lines, and here you can use this save button to save it or immediately share with it or edit or even select another shape. For example, this one or this one, which is freeform. So now let's go back and select launch camera. And as you can see, double pressing the power button will launch the camera. So let's enable it first and double press this power button. Yeah, it's also working, which is great. And double press volume down when the screen is locked. Let's enable it, lock the screen and try this out. So double press volume down button and the camera launches. So it is really impressive. And let's move on to the next feature, which is turn on flashlight. Here we will need to double press the power button to turn on flashlight. And as you can see now, double pressing is launching camera, so we can replace it with flashlight. If you agree with that, click replace button and now double tap the power button and the flashlight enables immediately. Double tap it again to disable. And the last one is custom gestures tab. So here we got back tap. You will need to tap on the back of your phone. And for double back tap, we can select calculator, for example. And for triple back tap, we can select notification shade. Let it be like that. Now let's try this out. I'm gonna double tap the back of the phone and yeah, the calculator enables. Now let's try the triple back tap. And also we can see notifications. Let's switch from notification to the silent mode and triple back tap. And yes, silent mode is on now. So that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.